Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here with Charles Fernandez, who's Minister of Tourism for Antigua, and we're going to talk a little bit about the island, where it is today, and what the future holds. And this is Insider Travel Report. Now, Charles, obviously you didn't quite get hit by the hurricane and the storms last year, although your neighboring island, I believe, got hit. Talk a little bit about how you've recovered so far.
Well, Barbuda, you're right, got devastated. Antigua is basically untouched, and we were able to now start to work to rebuild Barbuda, which is very important. But Antigua has been open for business. Our airlift actually increased. Our cruise ship arrivals increased also. So we did close to 1 million visitors last year, which is a record for us last season. And we have increased airlift even for the upcoming season. And we are in the process of adding another 5th pair, which will be able to take the Oasis class ships, the biggest. And so things are looking very, very good for Antigua in terms of being prepared for increased visitor arrivals.
What about Barbuda itself?
Barbuda we are working to bring Barbuda back. The school is partially open now. We have some classes there between secondary and primary. The majority of the students are still in Antigua attending school there. We have about 200 homes out of the 400 that was damaged. 200 are practically up and operational again. So there's some semblance now of things getting back together. And we are hoping by sometime next year we'll be 100% ready.
And you know, Antigua has always been known as for having very, very high-end luxury resorts, and you have that reputation. And those resorts, I think, have also taken the time to refurbish themselves and come back strong for 2018 season at the end, right?
That's correct. But there was basically no real damage to any of the resorts in Antigua from the last hurricane season. And so we're ready to roll as soon as the season started. We had a very good campaign to let the international community understand that we are open for business. We have a number of other hotel projects that are coming on stream within another 12-18 months. We have the Waldorf Astoria, we have the Best Western, we have the Courtyard Marriott, Sunwing is there doing a mega project. So there's still a lot to come.
So there is a wide range of accommodations, everything from a Waldorf to a Best Western then.
Correct. And that is something that I think is important, to be able to whether it's 3-star or 5-star, you'll be treated with 5-star treatment, but you don't have to pay for that depending on what you want. We can accommodate anybody.
Yeah. Now, we go out to about 80,000 travel agents with our website. What would you tell them about how to best sell Antigua going forward?
Well, we have a great climate. Our airport is one of the best in the region. We are easily reached from just about anywhere in the world. We have now also increased air traffic coming in. I think the island is very, very safe. We have one of the best safety records in terms of crime in the region. And we're continuously working to improve our product.
Well, Charles, thank you very much for spending some time with us to tell us about what Antigua and Barbuda is happening. And a lot of people have some misconceptions about which islands got hit where. And you actually have a dual island nation, one of which got hit, but which didn't have as much resort infrastructure on it. And of course, Antigua had all the resorts that we're so familiar with on the luxury end. But congratulations on this year. Hopefully will be a banner year for your island.
We're hoping so. It looks that way, and we are keeping our fingers crossed that it will be.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.